the dark of night. Tabletops counting nerves in the early hours.
Hey, it's going guys, I'm Dr. Kitty Fox. How's it going everybody? And today, we'll be doing an RC video today. So today, we'll be doing something cool today. Today we'll be installing some LED lights and my new light bar I got in recently to my Traxxas Telluride 2WD truck. Now I'm sure you my older fans know this from my older videos about my old Bandit I used to have. I actually converted this Bandit into a Telluride, a 2WD truck. And I converted it by actually buying a body for it, buying the Telluride wheels for it, and buying a few stuff that makes it look like a Telluride. But yeah, here it is, my awesome truck here. But I'm sure you guys remember this truck from a long time ago, my older videos, and I decided to do a video on it today. And I kind of thought about why not do a few changes to it. So, I do want the red and black body to it, but I decided to add some, well, I was going to add some police lights under it and make it kind of look like an undercover police car. I mean, I got the new light bar, I had it recently, so I'm going to add that to this truck, why not, for it, to make it cool. But let's see what it looks like, when it's done. So, all the rest, let's get right into it. So we got everything here ready to go for the project. All we're going to do is install some lights into the truck, a light bar, and a few LED lights in the truck to give it that real feel to it. They make it look realistically in a way. So I got some LED lights here. I got everything I need here, including this. I found a spare one. Thank God I found one because I couldn't find these anymore. And I found my junk case. I got the light bar here. We'll be installing. I get everything I need. It's extra attachment for the light bar. I'll need that for later on. I got the pinholes, the big holes, and I got everything here I need to build the project. So, and some extra lights as well in case the ones don't work. All the rest, it's all ready to go, so let's get started. came out great. I absolutely love the truck. It came out fantastic. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video guys. A short project, but it was pretty awesome. Anyway guys, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Say that it feels right.